Hey there, welcome to this video. This is the second part of our topic number 5, create, schedule and publish. So in the last video, we talked about that how we can go ahead and create our content ideas and batch create our ideas for our content, and then later on when we are ready to create content, how we can create our content very quickly. But now in this video, we are going to talk about that what exactly you are going to say in the video and how you can say and how you can send your message across to your audience. Okay, so for this, we are going to use a very simple formula, and that will be to talk about our hook, story and offer. So let me explain what it is. So the very first thing that we'll say in our video is our hook. So we use hook to grab people's attention very quickly. So whenever we are posting any content on social media, attention span is very small, and you have to grab people's attention as quickly or as possible within 2 to 3 seconds, because after that people will go away and they will not watch your videos. So in the first few seconds, you have to talk to them about something that they are interested in, right? They don't really care about your thing, who you are, what you do. If you talk to them about whatever they are interested in, only then they will listen to you, and only then after that they will watch your videos. So these are the first few seconds you have to go ahead and grab their attention, and that's why in the first few seconds, we will only talk about their dreams and desires, their pain and problems, and their objections, because all these things that they care about, they don't care about us, they care about their own things. So that's why in the first few seconds, we will only talk about their dreams, desires, pain, problems, and objections. Okay. Now, how we will say this? So let's say here, let's go to our audience. Okay. So we know with our sheet that our audience care about generating passive income, right? Our audience care about that how they can go ahead and start their business, because they don't have a business right now, and they are having trouble in starting their business because they have no idea about how to do that. They have no mentor, they have no coach. So out of all of this, just pick one thing that you want to create content about, okay, and then use it. So for example, here what I'm doing, I'm asking them, hey, are you struggling to decide which affiliate product to promote, which product to promote, what are you struggling to decide which product you should promote as an affiliate? Here are my 5 tips to choose the perfect high ticket affiliate product to promote. So what I did here, I went ahead in the sheet and I see that people have objection that they don't know how to get started and which product they should promote. Okay, so from this sheet I know that okay, they are struggling to choose the right affiliate product to promote. So I've created the headline. So when I talk about something that they are already struggling with, they are going to pay attention. So that was our hook. Second thing is our story. Our stories should be something that people get connect with, and people can go ahead and watch it and don't get bored, right? So this is what we'll talk about. So here what I'm doing in giving them the exact things that they are here for. They want to see that what are the 5 things that they can learn and choose the right affiliate product to promote. So these are meaty content. Okay, so this is what I've shared here. 5 tips. High ticket funnel. There should be a high ticket funnel. It should have a proven track record. It should have trust in the market, testimonials, results, should have community and sales. So this is the meaty stuff that I'm sharing with people. So give them exactly what they are here for. Okay, whatever you have promised in the hook. This is something that you can now elaborate. You can talk about it more and explain them, okay, what a high ticket funnel should look like, what kind of track record and proven result this person should have, how many testimonial and what kind of testimonial they should have, what kind of community this person should have, and what their sales team and support team should do for them, which can give them good results. So you can talk about all these 5 points and then elaborate these 5 points, because now you know you have grabbed their attention. Now you want to elaborate and tell them the story of the topic. Then after that it's all about the offer. Now from offer, I don't really mean that you can go ahead and promote your product or try to sell them directly. No, offer means what you want them to do after they have watched your video, after they have consumed your content, what you want them to do after that. So it could be something that you want to send them to an offer, you want them to join your Facebook group, or you want them to follow on your social media profile, or you want them to subscribe to your channel, whatever it could be. But always give them a call to action, because people always want to be told that what you want to do, what you want them to do. Because if you give them a direct call to action, then people will follow if your content is good, if they like your content, if whatever you have said in your story is something that they can connect with, then they will definitely follow your instructions and will do whatever you tell them to do. So in each and every video, remember that you have a great hook, a hook that have dreams, desires, pain and problems and objections, as to grab their attention. And then whatever your story is good. Story is all about hook, where you are explaining in detail what this hook is all about and sharing it in detail, elaborating that. And then after that, always in each piece of content, always give them a call to action and tell them what you want them to do. Okay, so if you start creating content, if you start putting all your topics in here, you don't really have to think about the format. You know every single time that, hey, first of all, you just have to write a good hook. After that, you have to write a good story, and after that, a call to action. That's it. Okay, and then if you are struggling with this, you can also go to this post category, content post category, and pick the hooks from here as well. Okay, here are some hook examples. Why 7 ways to lose belly fat in 30 days without going to gym. So there are a lot of people we know that who are obese and don't really want to go gym, and they also want to lose fat, right? And there we are saying that, telling them 7 ways to do it right from their home, right? Top 7 millionaire habits you need to have to become successful. Try it for 21 days, and then we can go ahead and talk about these 7 days, and then we can elaborate that how they can follow it up for the next 21 days. So that will be a great story. And then we can go ahead and tell them, hey, join our Facebook group, because in the Facebook group there are a lot of people who are similar to you who are following this, and we are doing this 21-day challenge. You can go ahead and become accountability partner, find accountability partner, and go ahead and do it with other people who are already doing it. Okay, so that will be a great call to action. So this is how you can go ahead and from this sheet use these examples, create your hook, create a good story, and then give them a call to action. So this is how you can go ahead and create every piece of content. It's all about writing things up and start putting things in here in this template and start creating content. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. In the next video, I'll show you the tool that I use to create my piece of content. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.